Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have easy make ahead breakfast ideas to share with you. I've shared tons of recipes on my channel and my blog over the years, and I thought I'd put it all together to give you some inspiration for make ahead breakfasts when there's just no time in the morning and you can be a little bit prepared the night before, or even on a Sunday have a bit of meal prepping time and prepare breakfasts for the week. And as always, I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which you can pin, bookmark, save for whenever you want to make breakfast ahead of time. So let's get into it, and I'll share my first make ahead breakfast idea, and that is making meal prep boxes. You can prep whatever your go-to breakfast options are, and these breakfasts I made scrambled eggs, salami, some sauteed mushroom and broccoli, and cooked everything up, popped it into meal prep containers, kept them in the fridge. And to be honest, this kind of breakfast I'm quite happy to eat cold, which might be weird to some, but you can definitely saute it, pop it in the microwave, or have it on the go, however you like. And another breakfast you can make ahead on time is breakfast casserole. You can again saute up your favorite vegetables, bacon, meat, sausages, whatever you like, pop it in a casserole dish, whisk up some eggs with cream, pop it on top, maybe a bit of cheese or feta too, and then this dish you can pop straight into the fridge, and then in the morning just put it into the oven and cook it, or you can cook it and keep it in the fridge and reheat it, or again eat it cold. Up to you, depends what you like. And another make ahead are smoothies. You can put together packs of all your favorite smoothie ingredients, berries, spinach, some chia seeds, whatever you like, and then store in the fridge or freezer depending when you'll be using it. Pop it straight into your blender and you've got breakfast ready to go in the morning. Another cooked breakfast option are cauliflower rice bowls, where you can prepare the cauliflower rice ahead of time, or even buy packages of cauliflower rice, fry it all up so it's ready to go, and then you just need a fried egg, heat everything up, and you've got breakfast ready to go. Or you can make a breakfast scramble together all your favorite breakfast options. I quite like tuna, cheese, tomato, and add some whisked eggs, and you've got a breakfast scramble, which again you can cook everything up, or you can chop everything, have everything ready to go the night before, and then just throw it in the frying pan, cook it up, and breakfast is ready. And another cooked option is waffles. You can make your favorite waffle mix. I've shared recipes for coconut flour and also almond flour waffles in the past. You can make up whichever waffles you like and cook them up, cook up a whole lot of batches, store them in the fridge or freezer, and then for breakfast just either heat them up in the waffle maker, maybe in the oven or even in the frying pan, and then you've got waffles which you can enjoy with some strawberries, whipped cream, or even a fried egg. And finally, one of my favorites, chia puddings. I love chia puddings for breakfast. You can measure out your portion of chia and either use milk or yogurt or cream, whatever you like. Mix it all together the night before, and in the morning you've got a thick, beautiful pudding that you can top with more fruit, with some nuts, some granola if that's what you're into, whatever you like. And you've got a chia pudding breakfast, which is really easy, something that you can make ahead the night before, and it only gets better with time. So there you go, those are my easy make ahead breakfast ideas. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments what's your go-to easy make ahead breakfast. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe for more videos like this, and I also appreciate a like as well. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which has all of the full recipes that I've mentioned in this video, so you can choose which make ahead breakfast you like and cook through every day of the week a different breakfast if you want. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.